Welcome to the Monday Marketing Minute. This week we're talking about some common SEO myths and the truths behind them. So myth number 1.
SEO is a scam, right?
Wrong!
Yeah, SEO is not snake oil. You have to play by Google's rules if you want your pages to be ranking in Google search results. So you must be practicing great SEO practices.
Absolutely. Next myth. Link building is dead?
Also wrong.
Purchasing links is bad. Link farms are bad. Private blog networks are also bad. There are some really effective white hat link building tactics you can explore. We prefer earning links by creating awesome content.
So myth number 3, buying ads on Google helps you rank higher in organic results.
Nope.
That's right. You will rank immediately in paid results, but it will have no impact on your organic results whatsoever.
Okay, myth number 4. Being active on social media means you'll rank higher.
Kinda?
Okay, social signals are important, but how important? It's hard to say. The primary purpose of social media is to engage your audience and spread brand awareness, not to rank higher in search results. So don't go creating a bunch of social profiles if you don't have the resources to manage them.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg for myths surrounding SEO.
And more are cropping up every single day.
If you want to learn more, visit our blog for some other SEO myths.
We'll see you next week.
Let's go.